Yo, what's up guys? Hope you guys are all having an awesome morning. Right now I'm waiting for Alex to come pick me up. It's 9 o'clock right now. We're gonna go snowboarding up at Mountain Creek. I'm probably gonna bring my GoPro and film some of that, because Thursday I didn't want to because it was 6 degrees and it was just, I didn't want to risk it because I figured the battery would freeze once I got on the mountain. But so, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing, and let's get right to it. Yo, hope you guys had an awesome day today. I snowboarded today. It was so much fun. At the very end though, the conditions became very bad because it got super icy because all the borders were just pushing the snow to the sides, and like on the main jumps when you land, you just land in pure ice, and we called it a day at the end. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Keep being you. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. Just be yourself. Live your life to the fullest. Peace out.